In this video, we'll talk about adding custom JavaScript to a theme. Livingston Hotels and Resorts has some custom JavaScript needs. For instance, Kaito needs to create a custom sign-in modal and add some JavaScript to the top search for every page on the different Livingston Hotels and Resorts sites. To add custom global JavaScript to a theme, we simply need to include it in our main.js file within our theme source folder. The base main.js file has 3 callbacks that can be used for different functions. AUI.ready, which is executed after the HTML on the page finishes loading, minus loading any portlets via AJAX. The Liferay.portlet.ready callback is executed for each of a page's portlets. After each portlet loads, the callback receives 2 parameters: the portlet ID, which is the current portlet's ID, and node, which is the alloy node object of the current portlet. Finally, Liferay.on is executed after everything else, including AJAX portlets, finishes loading. Liferay DXP 7.2 is compatible with additional JavaScript frameworks out of the box. We've included Metal.js, which is developed by Liferay, and jQuery. Lodash was included in Liferay DXP 7.1, but is no longer included by default. If you want to use Lodash in Liferay DXP 7.2, you can go to the Control Panel, Configuration, System Settings, Third Party, and then set Lodash to True. Let's do a knowledge check here. Pause the video, test yourself, and then come back to see the answers. Global JavaScript that will be executed on every page can be added to main.js. The main.js file is the primary JavaScript file packaged in a theme. Metal.js and jQuery are included by default within Liferay, but any front-end framework can be used when writing your JavaScript. JavaScript can be organized in a more modular way by requiring other JS files in the main.js. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.